Italy, a European country with a long Mediterranean coastline, has left a powerful mark on Western culture and cuisine. Its capital, Rome, is home to the Vatican as well as landmark art and ancient ruins. Other major cities include Florence with Renaissance masterpieces such as Michelangelo's David and Brunelleschi's Duomo, Venice, the city of canals, and Milan, Italy fashion capital. Capital Rome, Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni, population 59 million, official language Italian, continent Europe, government Republic, unitary state, constitutional republic, parliamentary republic. There are two official religions in Italy. The Roman Catholic Church is one and soccer is the other. Officially, however, Catholicism is virtually the state religion. The great majority of Italians are baptized Catholics, and until recently, all children were named after a Catholic saint. Climate is formally divided in four types, characterized by specific features. Alpine climate, dominant in Alps and northern and southern Apennines, characterized by night and winter low temperature and moist summer. Mediterranean climate in the island and in the southern Italy, characterized by mild. Any kind of travel destination located in Italy: Turin, Siena, Bologna, Paloma, Milan, Naples, Venice, Florence, Rome. Like those travel destinations located in Italy, we will bring more information about Italy travel destination. Please subscribe and like our videos.